Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to do this amazing tartare here,
Oh yeah.
so let's do it.
Stay tuned because we're going to start now. Hey everyone, these videos are going to be different. I met with two friends, Jeremy and Carlos, and we made a couple of videos for you. So, hoping you are going to enjoy and stick until the end because there are funny moments.
We got some meat on the fridge and some ginger, coriander, leftover onions, lemon, olive oil, oyster sauce. We're gonna make something really tasty and simple, right? It's gonna be a tartare. It's just my way to make tartare. That's how I like it. So I'm gonna chop some ginger, thin slices, not too thick, should be more than enough. We're gonna cut them in Brunoise, and then you flip over. Some coriander with the stems, no problem. Just really thin. Corner again. So I got some leftover onions from my friend Andre. I see your head. So just a little bit of onions. I'm gonna chop them in Brunoise. They've been washed in the cold water before, so we're gonna get only the good flavor.
If people say we're missing onions in the ceviche, I know who to come to, yeah?
Oh, okay. So to eat this tartare, and then we're gonna make some crispy pita. Okay, simple. Gonna cut kind of as a pizza slices, kind of. You're gonna spread them on a tray, just like that. Some olive oil. Andre, I don't know about you, but I really like to be generous with the olive oil.
Yeah. You cannot be too generous on olive oil.
Put some salt, a little bit of pepper, and you're done. Got the oven, 180, few minutes. No, pretty simple. Doesn't have to be fancy. Never. Okay, so with our meat, simple. We're just gonna slice it up. So as you can see, I put this meat for a little bit on the freezer, so it's become easier to cut it, and then it's gonna keep your tartare a little bit fresher. I guess remember about a few minutes ago we cut it all of these toppings here, so we're gonna simply take all of them, put back in the bowl. You're gonna need some lemon. That's enough, just a few drops. Done. Some oyster sauce. You can easily find in any store, in Asian store. They have different brands, but it's almost the same, all of them. Okay, so now, before coming with our olive oil, we're gonna mix all the preparation. So everything is nice mixed together. And for olive oil. Can you see the texture? So everything is stick together. We come here. Let's be generous with the tartare. And then, thank you.
Oh, of course.
And then it's just gonna come with our pita. Let's put on the side. So, like we said before, has to be tasty, not fancy.
So, hoping you enjoyed this amazing tartare recipe that Carlos made for us. And I want to really thank Jeremy and Carlos for helping me out with those videos. I want to ask you at home, let us know what you think about those recipes and videos in the comments below. Give those recipes a thumbs up if you like them, and don't forget to subscribe because more of those recipes are coming up every week. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Andrei, this is Think of Food. Now for the funny moments.
It's gonna be a tartare, but a tartare. Hey everyone, if you wanna make this beautiful tartare at home,
What?
wait. A tartare, like we do in Brazil. No, don't.
After
No,
that,
that's-
we're still going to Colombia here. How to call it or what?
No, don't give a name. It is a tartare.
Yeah.
No? And just thinking the rest of the sentence. Hey everyone, if you wanna make this great,
Amazing.
it's amazing. Yeah, these words like that
Yeah.
bring more.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah, it's delicious tartare. And what's then?
Pause. Wow. Yeah. Stay with us or like stay tuned because it's going to start now.
If you wanna learn how to do this amazing tartare here,
Oh yeah.
so let's do it.
Stay tuned because it's going to start now.
Great. This worked better like that. This is why. Because you did the last smash, you know? Bam. Yeah.